This video is for education only, not financial advice. Do your own research before investing. In this video, I'm revealing powerful hidden indicators that pro traders secretly use to catch reversals, predict breakouts, and avoid bad trades like a boss. No more laggy lines, no more guessing, just clean, precise signals that actually work. Stick with me till the end, and you'll walk away with high-value strategies that could be worth thousands, absolutely free. Some of the smartest traders out there rely on this first indicator to confirm their entries. It's called the Volumetric Variable Index. To add it to your TradingView chart, just search for Volumetric Variable Index and choose the one created by Big Beluga. Now, while most indicators only track price movement, this one goes deeper. It shows you the actual buying and selling pressure behind each move. If you're aiming to maximize profits with a powerful trading strategy, especially on short time frames, then choosing the right broker makes all the difference. That's why I personally recommend Market 101. Why Market 101 first? Ultra low spreads, keep more of your profits. Second, lightning fast execution, enter, and exit trades without delays. Third, negative balance protection. Your account can't go below zero. Fourth, secure link protection, trade confidently and safely. Fifth, max leverage options, amplify your potential gains. Sixth, multiple payment methods, fast and flexible deposits, withdrawals, exclusive offer, just for you. Sign up today using my exclusive link in the description and get a 100% deposit bonus. That right double your trading capital right from the start. You'll also unlock pro-level trading tools, in-depth educational resources, personalized support from real trading experts. Click the link in the description. Join Market 101 and claim your bonus now. Here's what makes it special. You'll see a trend cloud. Green for bullish trends, red for bearish ones. But the real magic happens in the volume table. It compares the buy volume from bullish candles with the sell volume from bearish ones. The difference between these two, expressed as a percentage, is called delta volume, and it's a game changer. Here's how to use it. Delta volume above 30%, strong trend backed by real money. Above 50%, now you're seeing the big players, yes, institutional traders, step in. But if it drops below 10%, even if the price still looks bullish, that's your red flag. It means the trend is losing steam. Simple rule, if delta volume is under 10%, avoid the trade. Volume without momentum is like a car with a full tank but no engine. Sure, it looks ready to go, but it's not going anywhere. That's why you need to make sure the market has enough directional strength to carry your trade forward. Otherwise, you risk getting stuck in a position that just moves sideways for days. So here's what we do next. Add the QQE mod momentum indicator to your TradingView chart. Just type in QQE mod and select the one by Mel Dorthauzo. Now don't confuse this with your everyday RSI. This one's built different. While most momentum indicators are slow and lag behind, QQE mod catches shifts before the price even starts moving. Let me break it down for you. The colored histogram shows momentum, blue for bullish, red for bearish. The white signal line crossing above the 50 level signals rising bullish momentum. A drop below 50? That's bearish pressure kicking in. But here's the real sauce. Blue dots above the histogram are bullish entry signals. Red dots below, bearish entry signals. And when you combine QQE mod with our previous indicator setup, your accuracy skyrockets. Here's the perfect four-step checklist for high probability trades. Funded algo shows aligned timeframes. 2, a zero lag signal is pointing in the same direction. Delta volume from the volumetric indicator is above 30%. 4, a fresh QQE mod signal dot just appeared. When all four align, you've got a rock-solid trade setup. At this point, you're equipped with a powerful system to find high probability entries. But even the best entries won't work without proper timing. Now it's time to level up with our third tool. If this indicator impressed you even half as much as it impressed me, smash that like button. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe so you never miss out on more powerful strategies. Now let's bring it all together. The double MACD buy-sell indicator by Dread Blitz. Head over to TradingView and search for double MACD buy-sell to add it to your chart. This isn't your regular MACD. This is a 2-in-1 momentum powerhouse that tracks both big moves and quick shifts with laser accuracy. Here's how it works. You'll see two MACD histograms, a white histogram settings 1226 to capture the larger trends, a yellow histogram settings 515 to catch faster entries. In the settings, disable both signal lines. Change the histogram display to columns. Set white for the back layer, yellow for the front. The real magic? It's all in the synergy between the two histograms. For buy signals, When both histograms cross above the zero line at the same time, that's your strongest confirmation to go long. For sell signals, when both cross below zero together, it's your green light to go short. But this tool isn't just for entries. It's brilliant for exits too. If the faster yellow histogram starts to diverge from the white one, that's your early warning to start tightening stop losses or locking in profits. Think of it as your momentum safety net, a strategy that covers everything from spotting high probability setups to managing trades with surgical precision. Recap of what you've learned. These tools aren't just theory, they're used by serious traders to maximize profit and minimize risk. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading strategies that actually work. Drop a comment below if you want me to break down live trades using this system. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.